In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Hostinger's hPanel. This is an incredibly useful feature if you want to send copies of emails from one address to another. Whether you're managing multiple email accounts or just need a streamlined way to organize your communications, setting up an email forwarder can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. If you haven't already done so, head over to Hostinger's website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which hosts a variety of tools and options for managing your website and emails. Now look for the email section. It should be part of the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on email and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you need to select forwarders. This brings you to the section where you can manage your email forwarding settings. In this section, you'll notice an option that says Add Forwarder. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Adding a forwarder is simple, but it's important to get the details right. You'll be prompted to enter two pieces of information: the source email address and the destination email address. The source email address is the one where emails are originally sent, and the destination email address is where you want those emails to be forwarded. Make sure you type both addresses correctly to avoid any issues with email delivery. Once you've entered the necessary details, you need to save the settings to activate the forwarding. There should be a save or confirm button right there on the screen. Click it, and just like that, your email forwarding is set up. From now on, all emails going to the source email will automatically be sent to the destination address you've specified. Before you wrap up, it's always a good idea to test to ensure everything's working as expected. Send a test email to your source address and check if it lands in the inbox of your destination email address. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully set up email forwarding and are ready to enjoy a more organized inbox. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage your emails with Hostinger hPanel's forwarding feature. Remember, if at any point you want to stop the forwarding, you can easily go back into the forwarders section and delete the forwarder you set up. Thank you for watching, and if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.